Had to cut that one out too. Right, so I'm continuing on with this nice garden now from this rose, probably meant a bit of a deadhead, through there, through these irises. It looks pretty thick, that grass. And up to the corner. Oh, big sour thistle right there. Anyway, that's what I'll be doing. To work. Right, for the next job I'm going to need 3 buckets, a milk crate to sit on, crowbar and my fan. Let's go. I've just finished mowing the lawn and that looks pretty good now, but it's just half of the job. Probably the easier part of the job, mowing the lawn. So now I've got to go to this garden in the corner and get out some weeds. There it is. Pretty weedy, pretty crappy. Yeah. Just had a drink and back. Got to get there forwards up. Now, back to work. Yeah. Yeah, sorry, got it backed up. Couldn't get the back part done, but I'll get the front done. Good like this. Sitting in here. Bear's Breach. This is Bear's Breach. It's toxic to humans and animals. And it's quite spiky too. Very sharp and spiky without gloves on. It's got little thorns on them. Anyway, I'm going to prune all them off. It's coming from over that fence. through the fence. Right. So I just trod on them all. Now I could just cut them straight off at the bottom. There, got rid of that. I'll just cut it off. That's going to grow back. Cut it off again. Got to put it in there. It's toxic and the chooks will jump on the back of my trail and probably eat it. That's silly. There he is. Fire, see one alive. He's eating on the eating the pinwheel.